Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. Do you guys spend a lot on birthday decoration and also getting your birthday venue prepared for this huge big day? Guys, stick with me and I'll show you how to create beautiful decoration from very inexpensive items and also from recycled stuff. So here I'm just using my scissors just to cut out the cardboard because I'll be marking out letters. So I just measured as to how high I want the letters to sit under the hula hoop, and then I just use my scissors to cut it out. So guys, I've always said before, please be very careful with your scissors. So I just got my ruler and I measured out as to the width as to how I want the letters to sit. So guys, thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for all my returning subscribers, the like, the comment, and the share. Oh my god, the share. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. So guys, if you want to do this, or if you want to do something like this, I would suggest that you get all your decorating bits that you need. You don't need to overspend and get a lot of expensive stuff, because you can definitely create something that you will appreciate more. So I would suggest get them in time, bring them in, and then just start working out ideas as to how you'd want them to look. So guys, as you can tell from the title, it will be my sister's birthday party. So I'm just making decorations for her. She's not aware that I'm going to do all these lovely decorations. She's aware that I'm going to do a birthday, but she's not aware as to how much I'm going to do. So I don't want to let on too much. So this will be part 1 of 3. Next week I'll show you the full decor, and then the next week after I'll show you the end result and of course the party. So as you can see, I'm using my blade just to get the trimmings out of the letters. And please be very careful, guys, as I said all the time before. And I just did this for all the letters, but I just bring in back my hula hoop and then just measured out as to how it looks, and it looks perfect to me. And then this is what it looks like after I've cut out all the happy birthday that I've you know, marked out before. Yeah. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you're liking the process so far, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. Yeah. So all the items used are listed in the description box below. Please do check them out, and if it's something that you want to try, please go ahead and do so. So I bring in back my hula hoop because the idea or the decor that I have in mind, I want to hang the happy birthday in the hula hoop, but once I cut it out, I realized that the happy birthday, well, the birthday is a bit long. So from there, I had to start rearranging them and then try to see how best I could fit them in. Now, you will notice that the birthday, it's too long. It's too long. Not a problem, because there's so many ways that you can rearrange stuff and let them change and look so much better. So guys, don't be afraid to play with your decor and play with the things that you want, or as to how you want them to sit. Don't be afraid to move them around, because it's yours and it has to be the way how you feel comfortable with it. So here I decided, okay, I'll just put happy on the top, birth in the middle, and then put a little dash on the side and then day at the bottom. But I didn't like it. It just looked tacky to me, and I just decided, okay, that's it, it's got to go. So I just went in and I just took out that dash because I didn't like it. There you go, I didn't like it. So I just took it out, bring the bird in the middle, and then just adjust the date, and it looks perfect to me. I like this better than the one that I've seen before. Let me know if this is what you would have done as well. You know, let me know. So then I'm going to go ahead and wrap my letters. So this wrapping paper I got from Sam 99. It's 99p. So what I've done is I just bring in the wrapping paper, bring back the letters, and then also I get my pencil and scissors because I'm going to mark it out and then cut it out. And again, guys, please be very careful with your blade and also your scissors. Please be very careful. Also, I want to give a shout out because I missed it last week. I want to give a shout out to Daydrian. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and also commenting as well. And then also thank you very much, Kamani. Thank you so much. So yeah, here I go. I just went in with my PVA glue, add it onto the letter H, use my brush to brush it out, and then just put it on the cutout that I got from the wrapping paper. And then this is what it looks like after I've finished, and I'm really loving it. It looks so nice, so nice. So I'm going to bling it out because my sister, she likes the bling. So I just went in with some gems, and trust me, I just went crazy with it. Okay, not crazy, but I just went crazy because I know she likes these things. So I want it to look really nice for her, and I just want her to be like, oh my god. Honestly, that's the reaction I want from her. So I'm just going with all the things that she likes. And it's the same thing as I said before. If you make your decorations at home, you will appreciate it more because it's something that you would appreciate, the fact that it's coming from you. So yeah, this is what it looks like at the first, but I didn't like it, so I went in with some pearls and then just attached them onto it. The pearls look a little bit scanty, right? So I didn't like it. So you will see after the end, I went in and just full it up a little bit more. So now I took the same rose gold paper because I'm going to focus on the hula hoop. I want it to look rose gold like the letters. So I'm going to change it from the red and silver. So what I did, I just put a little bit of PVA onto the strips that I've cut out from the wrapping paper, and then just start wrapping the hula hoop. And then once I've done wrapping it, I just add some gems and some pearl around it. And then this is what everything looks like. This is just what I've done for today. Next week, I'll show you the whole process of all the decor that I've done. And then the following week, I'll show you obviously the birthday party and how everything looks. So guys, please let me know what you think. Please let me know if this is something you would try. And then also comment below, like and share. So guys, thank you so much for checking out this video with me. Please remember to check out the next video next week, and then also please subscribe to my new channel. It's Avo Gabo and Kids. I'll leave a link in the description box below. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week Thursday. Thank you. Bye bye.